Wow. Wow, we caught that, didn't we? We did. Hello, welcome to the channel. A bit of anger there. We caught it there. There was a little bit of a peep session from the locals. So it's Linden Avenue roundabout. And we've got some bikers coming. Bikers. And there's a Mark 1 Focus. A bit rough looking. Yeah, and this is an X-Trail, Jaguar. I suppose this Boroughmuir Road is supposed to be a 50 zone, and they sort of try to narrow it down, haven't they? Well, they've tried. Well, so Cumbernauld was designed under this type of philosophy, and they've just gradually tried to. That's where their people and places thing comes in. So they're trying to demonise motorists, and so they're actually demonise humanity. Is what they're doing in the process. Yeah, so that's what they're actually trying to do. Is so 170 spaces. Nice Volkswagen Caddy. Yeah, so that's what they're actually trying to do. There's Caller gas over there. So a wee honk honk and a wee peep peep. Adam. Nobody really wants to do anything. I think if you really want to do something, you do it. And that's the problem. So many people don't want to do things. And that's because they're not interested. They're just doing things because they need money. They've been sent out of the house because they need money. But they don't even need to do that now, do they? Right, take your time. Fucking hell. Are you going any fucking slower? God. The Jaguar X type estate. I'm feeling I wasn't feeling the energy. I was doing the live stream and it just wasn't working. And I'm feeling better now. I'm feeling the energy now. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it better now. This is a really weird roundabout, this. It's a really weird one. So, it's a strange one, aye. Why don't we put this on? Because I think it was a bit low there, wasn't it? Why don't we put that one? Oh, look, see if I had the holes in the sign. That'd have been good. I might be able to do that. See if there's any holes in the signs. There might be. There might be holes in the signs. Could put it on. I don't see any for here. It doesn't look good. No, it doesn't. Aye. Can we put holes in signs? I think the thing with the live streams, you get bigger views, because that one, even though I didn't think it was going well, it was 421 views. And you don't get that with generally the normal videos that you put on. It can take a long time to get a lot of views. You know, so we'll go and see. What the fuck's that? I'm waiting for a quiet bit so I can buzz across. Right. So what we've got? Have we got any? No, we don't. No, we don't. They've got the caps on them. They've all got the caps on them. So the plan was to you could probably put it down there. I can't see what you're seeing, is the only problem. It should be it should be easy enough to see. Oh, a motorbike. We like bikes. We like bikes on the channel. We do. So they're doing a go around, and going away that way. So that's Stirling doing that way. I think it's time we went away and got our breakfast. I think let's just let's wander around it, pick up the other phone and get away out of here before. So it's quite a nice V-shaped roundabout. It's a weird is it oblong? I think it's oblong. I think that's what it is. It's oblong roundabout. So I can sit in here, hide in the roundabout. Green communist. Oh, the green communist there. Green communist. You're a fucking green communist. We're fucking green cards. Green. You fucking green communist. We don't like green communists. At one time, I would have been arrested for this. But now, they put up balloonies. They put up the fucking nutters. It's like, oh yeah, you go and sit in the roundabout, we're quite happy for that. What I should have brought was a seat with me. Ah, I've leaned on something wet. Oh my god. The fucking sauce dish. Robertson's Transport. How's the time doing? Hiding in the fucking roundabout. How weird is that? Aye. I'm pruning the roses. Pruning roses. Bond. This is actually sore on my bloody... It's actually sore on my testicles. No. I left them in Linden. It's sore on my... fucking hell. It's sore on everything. I suppose the weird thing is, under this, I'm always moaning about the people and places thing, but actually under that, they actually like you wandering around roads and stuff. That's a Monteo... It's a taxi, is it? Is it a Vignal or something? And there's an A coming down there. Aye. Oh, that's unusual, they're going across that way. Aye. Get your brakes looked at. Yeah. Get your fucking Aye! Right, so time to get off of here before we get arrested. Which way are you going to go? So these carp things, right? Carps. That's a bit fucked, that, isn't it? Aye, stop looking at me. You get fucking. Oh, aye, you look so cool. With your hair straighteners. It's fucking Iqbal. Iqbal Muhammad or something. Ah, yeah, they're welcome, yeah. They love them. Yeah, don't start that. Yeah. Great bunch of people. Christianity's so fucking lame. Who needs it? We could all be converted to Islam. Right, time to go. Right, so thanks for joining me in this roundabout. It's Linden Avenue roundabout. We're going to go. We're going. We're leaving in the morning. Leaving in the morning. So we've got to get off of here, and it's tricky because it's busy. It is busy. Can't see what I'm fucking doing. That woman's getting all excited, look. And they're all looking at the bus. It's like, yeah. Oh, there's an MG midget. Look, never seen that. When did you miss the MG midget? You fucking missed it. You clown. And there's a Toyota Celica, is it? Aye. You know. So we've got double trouble here. We've got that way. And it's getting quite busy. So the whole thing is like handy. You can pop it in the hole. What we could do with this one maybe is hang it on there. It'll sit there. Yeah, you don't want it to risk breaking the phone. So I'm going to find out what time it is. It's 10:39. 10:39 it is, by the way. Get your exhaust looked at. It's 10:39. So there is places here that I could put my equipment. The best way would be to pull these holes out, pull that plastic cap off. But no, I don't want to be accused of vandalising the place. You know. Oh yes. Oh cool. Right. Now which way are we going to get off? Because we're walking up that way. Let's go back. Let's get off the way we came on. Let's get off the way we came on. Wow. Let's get off here. Wow. Easy. So that was Linden Avenue, people. It's a famous roundabout. It is, by the way. So thanks for watching. Bye. If I ever see that fucking stupid little cow, the one that told me from Bray Heat, the roundabout of Bray Heat, an entitled Karen, I never caught her actually, she caught me out. This little stupid little cow with this sort of black hair, quite stuck, she'd been at a hairdresser or something. She ain't going fuck, I got caught out with her because I didn't catch her. She pounced on me at Falkirk Stadium and was seeming to think that she could have a go and tell me what I can and can't do. Because I've got a feeling, I think she mentioned she's a taxi driver, or she might drive a taxi. Well, you know what you can do? You can go, I will get you next time. You know, so you won't be able to come up and say that to me again. And if you do, actually, I might report you to the police, actually. If what you said the first time was actually a hate crime. But, you know, often you get odd people like that, and usually you can just get rid of them. But at the end of the day, that would be giving me great footage, wouldn't it? Just like I said, she pounced on me. I wasn't aware. I thought she was coming to buy something off my stall. That's how I got caught out. Aye, that's basically what I'm trying to explain. I haven't seen her again, but apparently she lives here. So that's why I'm talking about that right now. You know, you can't tell people what to do. Who do you think you are? There's a Volkswagen T4. It's red. It's not as nice as my one. No. Right, we're going now then. We're going. Let's go! It's highly unlikely MD turns off here, but you just never know. Right, so thanks for watching that video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe. Hey, welcome to this video. We've been doing it all today. We've been live streaming. We've been... It's 10 past 11. 11! 11! Or 7! Outdoor bred pork. Wow. So we're at Stirling's Roundabout, and we are. They've built a nice little path for me. I don't think that was like that before. They've built us a little thing that I can lean on. So we're in the new phone now, so it's going to be a better video than the other one. But sadly, well, no, I actually walked up the middle Burramere Road, which is quite an achievement. And we're just doing a quick video at Stirling's Roundabout before we go home. So why don't we walk around it and then go home? Why don't we just do that? Let's do it. Let's do it! Let's do it, everybody. Why? Somebody at a pub, is it? Oh, there's traffic lights. Why don't they just put a big fucking bus stop right in the middle of the roundabout? That's what Stirling Council would do. Well, that's what they would. What do you mean would do? That's what they will. That's what they are doing. The Borestone. See, the thing about bars and alcohol. I mean, I like beer. I like alcohol. I'm a great drinker of alcohol, right? But the problem is, it's almost. I think to be that type of person that does it all the time, you have to be the type that doesn't really think about tomorrow. So that's coming from somebody that enjoys it. I do enjoy it myself, but to go to a pub every day and the expense of it, and the government's made it even more expensive than it was. You know, Audi A3 with a wine. So they made it even more difficult. So you just... There used to be people I used to know that spend their whole lives in pubs, Alpha. Aye. Fucking AMG. So they're all dummies, aren't they? They're just doing as they're told. Oh! What the hell happened there? I don't know. Get your exhaust looked at. I've seen that one already. Aye, it's a sporty exhaust. It's a fucking sporty exhaust. Oh, aye. Yeah. I think we're all looking for some kind of validation though, and that's why I do the videos. I'm looking for some kind of... I'm looking for... Well, fame. Fame's a bit of a... There's a better word than fame. I'm looking for validation and recognition. That's what we all do. That's why we get up in the morning. That's what we go out for. Or if you want to go to the pub, then you're not looking for that, are you? You just want to enjoy alcohol in your bloodstream. And there's nothing better than a pub atmosphere. They're lovely and cool, and there's like generally you can say whatever you want. And oh yeah, they're trying to stop that, aren't they? The war on the pubs. You can have peace and quiet, get away from the... Well, generally it was men that went to pubs. You get away from the women. So you're in the pub and the women's needing money for the bairns. Back in the old days you had like 12 children or something. You know, so... sadly, that's what it's like. Driver training, yeah, good luck. Hope you do well. I mean, modern cars are so easy to drive as well, aren't they? Well, until they run out of electric. Then they're not easy to drive. Chance limited, wow. Yeah. I mean, basically that Chinese thing's the Chinese food is a bit of a scam as well, because a lot of it is quite unhealthy, isn't it? Right, so what's your problem, hen? You just got the car, you don't care how the clutch works. I understand. Yep. You're not used to it. Well, we've all been there. We've all been there, Stirling taxis. I wonder if he knows that little scary woman with a bouffant hairstyle. It's got a face like the back end of a fucking Nissan Cedric. Oh, how did you come up with that one? Oh, well, these things are in my store, in my mind. They're stored up in my head, so I can remember them quite easily. Yeah. So, what we need to do, we need to get... You keep saying you're going for breakfast, you haven't fucking done it yet, have you? Yeah. No, you haven't. You think, oh, I'll move over there, it'll be better. How do I know it's going to be better over there? I don't fucking know. I really don't. Right. Whew. Am I working for the council? No. No, I'm not. That doesn't sound right, does it? Right, I'm going home. Let's go under the fucking thing. Go under it. We're in Burramere Road. We're walking right across the middle here. People living their lives, just existing from one day to another. Isn't it sad and tragic? I think so. I think it is. It's sad and tragic. Yeah. Right. To get over here. We could maybe walk around the side there. That's a bit more dodgy though, isn't it? Aye. It is like, you can. Well, fuck it, we'll just go for it. We'll go for it. Can we walk along the side? God, it's narrow, isn't it? It's very narrow. It's so narrow, it's unbelievable. Design, supply, install. People get frightened. They get frightened. Scared of wheelie bins. So we have to pay homage to the wheelie bins. Yeah, we do. Pay homage to the wheelie bins and the traffic cones. These are our leaders. That's where the power structure is heading. We will soon be controlled by wheelie bins and traffic cones. Mark my words. That's what our culture has come to. That we don't see beauty, we don't see historic relevance. All we see is plastic wheelie bins and plastic traffic cones, which are who we pay homage to. Well, at least we do where I come from. Diverted traffic. Where I come from, that's what we do. I take the whole lot of us gather around, the whole lot of us, that's just me because I've only got me, and my 27 genders. We go outside and we pay homage to our wheelie bins and our traffic cones. And there's quite a nice looking camper van coming down. There's a mad cyclist there, right there, look. Is that a camper van? It's not, it's a fucking van. Parks Motor Group. You got that wrong, you fanny. And the bushes need trimming. Oh, I turn the music up. Turn the music up, everybody. So here we go. Bus stop. I must Citylink bus must be on its way. It must be. Yeah, so that's it. That's where we've become, where we've got to, and that's where it's going. We're going to have a society that doesn't have any meaning, and the people within it don't understand meaning, or they don't need. Alright, truck spotting video. Craigs of Denny, specialists in brick and timber haulage. There they are. It's Craigs of Denny, and yeah, right. So we got a nice wee wave there. Oh yes, and very busy. He's in a big hurry. He's unloaded a heap of bricks somewhere. There's a way to do it again. He doesn't want bus stops in the middle of the road. No, doesn't. Right, so I'm quite happy. We've actually got a truck, so it's time to, definitely is time to go home. There's another one. Definitely is. I think I'm in my own world when I do this. I don't even, really, I'm not consciously aware of anything. I don't really care what I look like or anything like that, or what people think. My neighbours are going to see me, stuff like that. My neighbours will probably go, let's just pretend we're not neighbours. Oh, yeah, they might wave. And there's who's in grey? Oh, busy. Busy. Right, time to get off of here. Davis, nice and clean. Go back in for another pint, eh? I'm tempted to go in there. I haven't had my breakfast yet. It's a bit early to go for a pint, isn't it? Right. I'm bursting. It's 22 minutes past 11. I need to go. Right, after this van, this blue car, we're going. Aye. Right. So we can get around this bit. They've got this big that was done. Yeah, the roadworks was done recently. They put these things in, which has made it easier for me to do my videos. That was a criminal's car, wasn't it? And them lot, they have to work. They don't get to fanny around like we do. Right, so the Borston bar looks pretty good. Oh, there's a bus. What's that bus? Oh, it's probably a tourist bus. Oh, what the hell's that? We got a wheel trim for a Renault. Do you know I've got one of them already? So that'd be a pair, wouldn't it? That'd be a pair, that would be. So that That would go with the other one. Oh, it's all fucked up, look. That's how it fell off. So we'll put that there. I like that. And that looks like kind of nice there, like that. Doesn't it? Stirling Council. I was only following orders. I was only following. Who the fuck peeped? Right, we're going. We're going. We're going. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. The wheelie bin. Oh my god, my wheelie bin god. We love the wheelie bins. Yes, bye.